friends, I am Vaishali. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you this little cute fridge magnet. I am going to show you this teddy bear. But before we start, please like, share, subscribe and press bell icon to get further notification of my videos. So let's start. That we'll need a clay, knife, tweezers, molding tool, scissors, brush, acrylic color, glue, magnet and toothpick. So take your clay and as usual make a teardrop out of and press the clay. Take your brush and give a texture. Once you get this texture, press the clay little bit. Then take your toothpick and cut it in half. When you cut it, please insert the toothpick inside the teddy bear's body head. Now take your legs and give it a texture. Glue it. Glue it properly. Take your hands and then glue it. I have textured it already, so I am attaching it directly. Knife tool and make a notch to attach its ear. Already made these ears in a similar manner. Glue it and insert it in the knot. Insert inside the notch in a similar manner. Attach your nose. And I have made small flower. Now we are going to attach heart. Glue that too. Glue it first. Take your acrylic color and brush and give a white spot on the eye. Take a tweezers and give a texture to the hands and attach at the back of the teddy bear. Let it dry overnight so that it will fix it properly. So here we go. Our teddy bear fridge magnet is ready. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.